Choosing the right Power BI storage mode can make or break your analytics project. Get it wrong, and you'll end up with slow dashboards, frustrated users, and unnecessary costs. Get it right, and you unlock fast, scalable insights that really drive decision making. In this video, I will walk you through the four storage modes available in Microsoft Fabric, namely import, direct query, direct lake, and composite. We'll explore their benefits, their limitations, and most importantly, when to use each one. Now, let's start with import mode. This is the classic and most widely used option in Power BI. Here, data is loaded into Power BI's in-memory engine called Vertipack. The benefits: speed. Import delivers blazing fast query performance and supports all of Power BI's advanced features: DAX, AI visual, calculations, you name it. The downside is freshness. Because data sits in memory, it needs to be refreshed. So your insights are only as up to date as your last refresh cycle. Import also comes with size limits. These, of course, depend on your premium capacity subscription. For example, a PPU have a storage limit of 10 gigabytes. While Fabric SKU can extend this, very large dataset may still be too big to load. Now, when should you use import? Well, when you need fast analytics, your dataset is small to medium sized, and you can live with refresh cycles that runs daily or even hourly. Now, the direct mode or direct query mode. So instead of storing data inside Power BI, direct query send every query straight back to the source database, as you can see on the image on our screen. The obvious advantage is real-time insight, no refresh required. It also supports a very large dataset since nothing is being imported into memory. But there are trade-offs. Performance depends entirely on the source system, and complex query can be slower than import. DAX features are also more limited, and heavy usage can put a real strain on your database. When should you use direct query? When you need real-time reporting on large datasets and you're willing to trade off some speed for freshness. Now, let us talk about the new kind or the new kid in a block, direct lake. Direct lake, as illustrated on the screen, is unique to Microsoft Fabric. It allows Power BI to query data stored in one lake Delta tables without importing it. This gives you the best of both worlds: the near real-time freshness of direct query and the fast performance of import. You also don't have to duplicate data. Everything stays in one lake, making governance and scaling much simpler. Of course, it's still early days. Direct Lake only works with Fabric managed data, and some advanced modeling scenarios may still require import. Here's the question then. When should you use direct link? The answer: when your data is already in one lake and you need both performance and near real-time freshness at scale. Finally, we have composite mode. Think of this as a hybrid option. Some tables can be imported for speed, while others stay in direct query or direct link for freshness. You can even use hybrid tables where historical data is imported and recent data is queried live. The flexibility gives you that benefit. You get a balanced performance, freshness, and scale. The challenge is complexity. Different tables may refresh on different schedules, which requires strong governance. And the question: when should you use composite mode? The answer: when you're reporting in need of both fast historical analysis and real-time operational insight in the same model. So let's do a quick recap, shall we? Import: fast, feature rate, but require refresh. Direct query, the second one, real time, scales big, but source dependent performance. Third, direct link, fabric native, combines speed with freshness, ideal for one leg. Four, the composite, hybrid flexibility for workloads or mixed workloads. And here's a thought you want to take away. The right choice depends on your balance between speed, freshness, and scale. So there you have it, the four story mode in Power BI with Fabric. If you need raw speed, go with import. If you need real time, direct query is your option. If you're in Fabric, direct link is the game changer. And if you need the best of multiple worlds, composite is your friend. Thanks for watching. If you find this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into Microsoft Fabric and Power BI. Again, thanks for watching. Bye for now.